weather message. For the following county, Washington, Pennsylvania, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, south central Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 a.m. At 3:58 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Imperial, or near Mint Township, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Mint Township, McMurray, McKeesport, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Cannonsburg, Gastonville, Scheller Township, Plum, West Mifflin, North Side Pittsburgh, Baldwin and Upper St. Clair. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 32 and 50. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 50 and 75, and between mile markers 45 and 49. Interstate 279 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 44 and 81. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.